What's going on, guys, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so today got another pretty quick video. We're going to be testing out a grass seed today, so let's get right into it. So the grass seed we're going to be testing out today is a tall fescue from Vigoro. I believe that's how you pronounce it, I'm not too sure. Okay guys, so to get started, we're going to do the same as always. You're going to go ahead and prepare your soil. So I'm going to loosen up the soil with my tiller, loosen it up, throw the grass seed, go ahead and cover it up, and then we'll start watering it, and then we'll be back. Let me see, actually it says right here, where did I see it at? Oh, right here. In about 8 to 16 days we'll see some germination, so hopefully within that time frame we'll see some germination going on. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I got the soil nice and loosened up. Let's go ahead and throw that grass seed, and here's a look at it. As you can see, it says on the bag it's triple coated for seed protection. So it protects seeds for a healthy start, defends against prominent lawn disease, and supports the seed's natural hardiness. So it looks very similar to the Scots. I believe the Scotch is this color, or I want to say blue, I don't remember. But it looks very similar, guys. Let's go ahead and throw it down. I'm going to be throwing this down with my hand. You could use a broadcast spreader if you like, but since it's not a big area, I'm going to go ahead and use my hand myself. Guys, so I went and threw the seed down. Next thing we're going to do, let me get the tiller real quick, hold on. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to go lightly over that grass seed with your tiller. This is going to kind of bury it a little bit underneath the soil, just so we get a very good seed to soil contact, guys. You could also use the back of your rake if you have, like, for example, let me show you. Just get your rake, flip it over to the back side, and kind of lightly go like this. It's also burying it as well. I've done this many times, it works pretty good too. Or if you have your manual tiller, you can go ahead and lightly go over it like this. Next, we're going to do is cover it up. I'm going to put a light compost and steer manure myself. You can always use peat moss if you like, or straw, whichever one you like. So let's go ahead and cover that up, water it in, and then hopefully be back in about 8 to 16 days and see how it looks. Next step, watering. You're going to want to make sure you water this at least, I would say, 2 times a day. But if you need a third, go ahead and water it with the third time, guys, because you want to make sure the seed stays nice and wet until germination. So let's go ahead and start watering, and hopefully we see you in about 8 to 16 days, or whenever we see germination. All right, let's get to it. Okay guys, this is 16 days after seeding. Here are the results. As you can see, it's looking really good. I got actually a lot of germination. There's little light spots here and there, but it's looking really good. It's actually pretty long right now. I'm gonna cut it real quick and then we'll take another look at it real quick. All right, so I got done mowing and here are the results, guys. I think it's looking really good. I actually had a really good amount of germination right here. I'm gonna post a little before and after, but also a comparison with the results of this and the Pennington Smart patch repair, and as well as the Scott's repair. Both of them will probably be about 2 weeks apart. And we're going to see the difference between the grass seed and those patch repairs. But for me, it's looking really good. I think it did a really good job actually. Very similar to Scott's, to be honest. Over here, this is actually all Scott's grass seed. So right now you can probably tell a difference only because this grass has not matured yet, but it will. So that's why right now the blades are a little thin. Like I said, it's only 16 days old, so it looks really good. It's filling in pretty nicely. I'll keep you guys updated as the grass, matures and thickens up, and we'll see if there really is a big difference between the Scott's and the Vigoro. But yeah guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.